In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Amazon refund balance. Whether you've recently returned an item or just want to keep track of your finances, knowing how to access your refund information is crucial. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once there, make sure to log into your account using your registered email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to access the refund details tied to your purchases. Once you're logged in, your next move is to find and click on the Orders section. This is usually located on the top right side of the page, often under a menu or your account settings option. In the Orders section, you'll be able to see a history of all your purchases and returns. You're looking for the particular order that you've returned. Beside each order, you might find an option labeled either View Refund Order Status or View Order Details. Click on this link for the specific returned item. This will bring up the current status of your refund, indicating whether it's still pending or if it's been completed. If the refund you're checking was issued back to you in the form of an Amazon gift card, there's an additional step we'll need to tackle. After confirming the completion of your refund, you want to navigate your way back to your account page. Look for the link labeled Account. It's usually located near the Orders link we clicked earlier. Once in the Account section, find and click on the Gift Cards option. Here, you're entering the area where any gift card balances, including those from your refunds, are displayed. It provides you with a complete overview of your gift card balance, so you can check and confirm that the refunded amount has been correctly applied to your account. Remember, staying on top of your finances on platforms like Amazon is a key component of savvy online shopping. Double-checking each of these steps ensures you're not only tracking your refund, but also ensuring that all your finances are in order, allowing for peace of mind and better financial planning. If you encounter any issues along the way, reaching out to Amazon's customer service is a helpful option for clarifying any uncertainties. So, that's it. You've now learned how to efficiently check your Amazon refund balance. Keep these steps handy, as they're useful not just for refunds, but for maintaining a clear view of your transactional history on Amazon. Thanks for joining in today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it equips you to manage your Amazon account with confidence and ease. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials, and take care.